This is a skinny tumbler press that comes with an attachment that I wouldn't call conical, but it's slightly shaped to be able to press something that's not quite straight-sided. Firstly, what we're going to do is place the heat pad into the press. Just be careful that you position the cord so it comes out this side and it's easy to put into the control box. Tighten all the screws. Make sure it's nice and firm. Then we need to adjust the pressure. Remove the lid from your tumbler and making sure you put it in the right way. So the narrow end is towards this side. We're just doing it for pressure, just to test it. So I'm not going to worry about the transfer at the moment. That's quite light, so we need to tighten. Using this knob here, take it closer to the other side. So you won't get it any tighter than that. Remove that from the heat press while we heat it up. Okay, the heat press is ready now. Started beeping, 180 degrees is reached. Pop your wine tumbler in. Clamp the press down. And that automatically starts counting down from 80 seconds. And we're done. Unclamp the press. Take out your wine tumbler. And there we have it. Probably could have even gone less than 80 seconds with that because the paper is a little bit yellow. So maybe even back to 60 or 70 seconds, but just see how you go with the different colours you're using and with the size of the print. If you want to do an all over press, just make sure that, like with the skinny tumblers, you turn it and leave it for a few more seconds.